is day 4 on the Appalachian Trail in Pennsylvania. I stayed at the Ironmaster's Mansion Hostel. That building is almost 200 years old. It was built in 1829 by the son of the original owner of Pine Grove Furnace. They did cast iron and pig iron forging here back in the 18th and 19th century, which is really amazing. The first clips in this video are looking around the inside of just the mansion. Yeah, I'm not exactly sure how far I'm gonna go today. There is a shelter in 7 miles, which is too close, and there's a shelter in 15 miles, which maybe I'll shoot for that. But I'm gonna take my time today because I also know coming up there's a pretty big maze of rocks. First, though, for sure, I want to go to the general store. There's a general store in about 8 or 9 miles, and I need to get some food for supper. I was able to get a bunch of snack food from the mansion, and there was a windscreen in the hiker box, and I really wanted a windscreen. So, trail magic. All right, let's go hiking. That is the forge. So, the good thing about staying at the hostel last night was there were mirrors, and I was able to yank out the rest of what I'm pretty sure was a deer tick, because it was so tiny, like a skin tag. And yeah, it left like a little pit, whatever I yanked off. And it was hard, it wasn't squishy. So, like I said, if I get Lyme disease, I'll know where and how that happened. I'm making pretty good time and just winding my way through the woods. I might be getting close to a shelter. Hopefully gonna make the grocery store by lunchtime. Apparently you can get sandwiches and whatever made. It's not too hot, but it's humid, and the bugs are buggy, but I have this TerraShield bug repellent from doTERRA, and I mixed up a whole concoction of things that smell like the woods, and it works really well. Ooh, I might be getting to that maze of rocks. Feels kind of mazy. No. Yes. Yeah. Nope, that wasn't a maze. There's a nice camp spot. My ears are not cold. I just can't stand the bugs buzzing right next to my ears. So I gotta put some bug repellent on my face and on this buff, because it actually really works. That's like some kind of a sinkhole, I'm guessing. Or is it an animal trap? I don't know. I'm almost to the grocery store. I think it's only like another 1.5 miles, 2 miles. I feel so good. Those first 2 days were really hard. The second day, my hips hurt a lot, but yesterday I felt really good. Today I feel really good. I don't know. I might be able to do the whole state in the time allotted, particularly because I don't want to re-hike the 20 miles that I've already done. I forgot about that. So really I only had 209 or 210 miles to do to complete the state of Pennsylvania. Just gonna take it day by day and see how it goes. But right now, I'm feeling good. Also forgot to mention, I passed by the boy and the girl who are through hiking northbound that I saw 2 days ago on the trail. I have not seen the other through hiker, and I have not seen Stark and Nero since I left them yesterday morning. They're probably way beyond me. I am at the junction with the James Fry shelter, which is 0.2 miles that way. I don't have time for that. I'm going to press on to the grocery store, which isn't much further away. And I'm going to have a lunch break there. James Fry Shelter is only a mile from a road crossing, and based on past experience, you don't want to necessarily stay in a shelter that's only a mile from the road. That's where partying happens usually, or homeless people camp out. People that are not hiking the trail. That's what I've noticed from all of my trips on the AT. Well, I made it to Green Mountain Grocers, and I had a lovely chicken salad sandwich, some watermelon juice, and I bought some snacks, some cheese, some peanut butter, and I'm all packed up, and I'm going to now head out. I'm going to walk another 5 or 6 miles, bringing me to the edge of town, Boiling Springs. Yeah, like the trail here has been really great. Really great. So I know that every day is not gonna be so smooth, but I feel good. So why not go? It's only about 1 o'clock, and I only have about 3 more hours of walking. Well, the Gut Hook app lied to me. I still have like 10 miles to walk. It's because I was sitting in that grocery store. It's just giving you the mileage as the crow flies to your destination. It's a cruel, cruel joke. So I don't know how far I'll get. Maybe I'll get there, maybe I won't. I'm not trying to kill myself. The stream has dried up. I am getting close to the Alec Kennedy shelter, and I think I found the crazy maze that people were talking about yesterday, and it's, look at that. And I just had a really steep climb. I don't think this is very long though, so. Oh, ooh, my knee. I don't even know if this is the maze. It's marked pretty well. Maybe it's the maze. I don't know. I'm not convinced that this is quote unquote the maze, but it is pretty cool looking. Oh, I don't know. There's a lot of rocks, and whoever routed the trail through here wanted us to have fun. That was really narrow back there. This has to be the maze that people were telling me about. It's been a lot of fun. The only thing that could have made it better is if it would have been at the beginning of the day when I was filled with all kinds of energy. But I'm still having fun. It's like a little Mahoosuc Notch or something, maybe. Or not. Yep, this is like straight up out of the White Mountains. Teeny little preview of the White Mountains. That is probably chest high for me. So, all right, gotta put away the phone. I mean, I guess I could go through there. Worst case scenario. I'll give it a try. That's where I came from. I had to take my pack off. And that's where I'm going. My pack is too heavy for that kind of nonsense. And I just hoisted that up and over the wall. And then I didn't have any trouble getting up the rock wall. Okay. I don't know if I'm through all of it, but it's been fun and it has been tricky. And I think I have seen this on YouTube videos. I could probably take my bug net off because the breeze is up now and the bugs are gone. I just met some rock climbers and they said it's not quite over yet, the maze, and that there might be one more really big rock to climb. So hopefully I can get over it. Boy, had to stop and fill up water here at the road, Whiskey Springs Road, because apparently the spring at the Alec Kennedy's shelter is dry. Hopefully it's not, but why take the chance? And then tomorrow I only have 6 miles to get to Boiling Springs with all of their water and amenities. So that fun maze of rocks added an hour to the length of my trip. But it was fun. I made it. Oh my gosh, I'm tired. This is the Alex Kennedy shelter. It's got bunk beds. That's cool. Big fire ring. I'm standing on the picnic table. There's 2 buildings. I don't know what that is. I don't know if that's a privy. That definitely looks like a privy because of the stack, the air stack. Oh my gosh, I am so done. Right, okay. 4 miles to Boiling Springs, or less than that, like about 4 miles to Boiling Springs in the morning. And then, I don't know what the plan is for tomorrow. All I know is it was a fun day and I am done, and I'm going to take my shoes off and eat some food and yeah, say goodnight. See you tomorrow.